Have you ever looked at your arms in the mirror and thought, why do my forearms look so skinny compared to the rest of my body?
You hit your biceps and triceps hard every workout, but those lower arms still look like they belong to a different person. It's frustrating, right?
You grip the weights, you lift heavy, but somehow your forearms just don't seem to grow.
The truth is, most people completely misunderstand how to train them. But today, we're going to fix that with 5 simple, science-backed exercises that will finally help you build thicker, stronger, and more defined forearms. Before we start, here's one thing to understand. Your forearms are constantly working. Every time you hold a dumbbell, carry groceries, or even type on your phone. But everyday use doesn't mean growth.
To actually build bigger forearms, you need to train them directly and with proper form.
The good news? You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym full of machines.
Just a pair of dumbbells, or even a barbell, and a bit of consistency.
Let's start with the most underrated move, the wrist curl. Sit on a bench or chair, rest your forearms on your thighs with your palms facing up, and hold the dumbbells. Now slowly curl your wrists up, squeeze at the top, and lower down under control.
You'll feel that burn almost instantly.
The key here is not to rush. Slow reps build muscle. Most people make the mistake of using too much weight and swinging their arms.
Don't do that. Keep it controlled, focus on the movement, and you'll see the difference in a few weeks. Flip your grip.
This time, your palms face down. It might feel weaker, but that's totally normal. This move targets the top side of your forearms, the part that gives that thicker, round look when your arms are relaxed.
Go lighter here, because the extensors are smaller muscles.
Again, slow and controlled is the secret. Subscribe for next part. Now, let's talk about one of the simplest but most powerful moves, the farmer's carry. Grab a pair of heavy dumbbells, stand tall, and just walk.
That's it.
Walk slow, keep your shoulders back, and your core tight. You'll feel your grip fighting to hold on, and that's exactly what builds those rock-solid forearms.
Think of it like functional strength training, not just size, but power.
Plus, it improves your overall grip for every other lift you do. You've probably done these before, but maybe not with the right focus. Hammer curls hit the brachioradialis, a thick muscle that runs down your upper forearm. Hold dumbbells with your palms facing each other and curl up just like you would in a normal bicep curl.
Keep your elbows close to your sides and avoid swinging.
This one adds both size and shape, giving that fuller arm look from elbow to wrist.
Finally, let's finish strong. Literally. Wrap a towel around a dumbbell handle, or use a thick bar if you have one.
Now just hold the weight for as long as you can.
It's simple, but brutal.
This move forces your grip and forearm muscles to work harder than usual because the thicker handle challenges every stabilizer muscle in your hand and forearm. Think of it like training with resistance turned up to max.
Imagine you're doing pull-ups, and halfway through, your grip gives out before your back does. That's weak forearms holding you back.
Now imagine after a few weeks of doing these exercises, your grip feels stronger, your veins pop more, and your arms finally look balanced.
That's the power of smart training. Simple, not complicated.